Hello everyone, welcome to a short demo of Tipasa. This demo has been created by the RUSA STARS Education and Training Committee. Today I'll show you what Tipasa looks like and demonstrate how borrowing requests are placed. Let's take a look at the Tipasa interface and see how it's set up. The Tipasa home area takes up the majority of the screen. You'll find a search box, an area to manage your request tags, and quick links to various queues in borrowing, document delivery, and lending. Plus, there's some quick links to commonly used OCLC websites like the policies directory and the service configuration. Below these are some charts showing your institution's borrowing and lending times. On the left side of the screen are expandable menus for the various queues. These include all the sub-queues that have active requests in them. For example, under borrowing, I can see how many requests are awaiting a response, are in transit, have been received, etc. These are similar to other queues in other resource sharing tools. This setup is out of the box. The only unique queues that my institution has created are for lending within my home state. So how would you search in Tipasa? It's pretty straightforward. You can search either active or closed requests. The default is by request ID or ILL number, but you have many other options including by both borrowing and lending symbol, title, the patron name, and request tags, etc. So let's look at how you would place a loan request in Tipasa. I placed a request for a book about 21st Century Access Services librarianship. Before the request hits the New for Review queue, OCLC performs a few standard actions which will help find the best bid match if the patron has entered enough information, and then it will check various holdings. When looking at this request, select the magnifying glass beside the field you would like to search. In this example, I'm going to select the ISBN number. I now have a list of OCLC bib records, and I can choose whichever record makes the most sense based on either matching the criteria from the request or by number of libraries that own the item or format, or a combination of all those. So when I find the record that I would like to select, I will verify the information on the screen and then select the Holdings tab. I have a custom holdings path for books, which I will select and then click Go. And so this populates the lending string, and I don't have to do anything because I've already done all the work in the service configuration. I will then update the request with my lending string. Back at the record, I will verify that the request type is loan, and I will add any borrowing notes if I need to for the request. Once satisfied, I will click the Send Request button and send now. This example demonstrated the manual process for requesting a book in Tipasa. OCLC has lots of tools to speed up this process, especially automations that can find the best bid record, build a lending string, and submit the request, all without staff intervention. But that's a different video. OCLC provides lots of documentation about Tipasa, which you can find at this page. Its link is right here. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this demonstration, and the RUSA STARS Education and Training Committee will be making more demos for other systems available soon.